Hey everybody, can't make it to the woods today, so I'm in the basement doing this on top of the washing machine. I'm going to show you how to make a bowline knot. First we'll do it right-handed, then we'll do it left-handed. So this is going to be the tag end, or the end that you want to make your bowline at. So you're going to take this and you're going to roll it over like that. Now this is not your loop that you're making. Pull that down to about a quarter size. You're going to come up through the hole, go around the working end of your rope and back in the hole. Now when you do that, you want it to sit evenly, and you're going to want this on the inside. Now this is your loop, so before you tighten it down, you can adjust the size of your loop. Okay, then all you're going to do is pull here, cinch it up, make sure it's dressed up. There's your bowline. I haven't seen a bowline slip before, but it doesn't mean it can't. So this time what we'll do, take our tag end, roll it over, make it about the size of a quarter, come up through the bottom of the hole, go around, go behind and around the working end back through the hole. Now this time we're going to pull a little bit extra of the tag end through, and then we're going to tighten it down. Now when you tie the bowline correctly, this tag end should end up inside the loop, not outside. So now you can take the rest of your tag end, tie an overhand knot, work that knot right down against, and that overhand knot creates a stop knot and your bowline cannot slip. So that's right-handed. Okay, now for all the lefties out there, here's your tag end. So you're going to roll that over, so this has to be over the top. This one needs to be in front. Bring that down to about the size of a quarter. Come up through the bottom, go behind your working end and around it, back through the loop. Tighten that down, and then for added security, which see where the tag end should be inside the loop, then you can just make an overhand knot, and just work that knot down to here. There's your bowline knot. So there's your left-handed and right-handed bowline knot. I hope the video was useful. If you want to see a video on some of the uses of a bowline knot, leave a comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. If everybody would share this video with 1 or 2 people, it would help my channel get spread around a little quicker. So until the next video, get off the couch, get off your phone, and enjoy the outdoors. Unless you're stuck hanging out by the washing machine in your basement.